Hey friends, if you're facing this kind of error when you click reset this PC option, so how to fix this error? So simple, close this window and drag your mouse to search box and type here CMD, and here you can see the CMD option. Just click on run as administrator. Now type this command carefully first of all and just press enter button on your keyboard, and here you can see the Windows RE status enable. If your case showing disable, just type this command rehntc space forward slash enable and press enter button on your keyboard, and it will take 5 to 10 minutes. So after your status like Windows RE status are enabled, so just close this window and reboot your system. Check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, follow the second method. Again drag your mouse to search box, type here CMD and just click on run as administrator. And now we will to fix your any corrupted files on your PC. So first of all type this command carefully, sfc space scan now, and hit the enter button on your keyboard. So it will take 5 to 10 seconds. Be patient and wait. After completing this scanning process, just type this command carefully. So it will take around 20 to 25 minutes. So it will help you after scanning your any your PC corrupted file or something. So it will fix your any corrupted files or something. After finishing this process, just close this window and reboot your system. Check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, follow the third method. Drag your mouse to search box and type here control panel, and just open control panel and select view by option and select the small icon option, and here you can see the recovery option. Just click to open it and click on open system restore. So now click on next. If you have any latest restore point, so just select the latest restore point. So it will help your backdate your working systems. So just select the latest option, select your accordingly. Here you can see the date or time are showing your latest date or time. So select the latest restore point and click on next option. Just reboot your system and check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, follow the final method. Final method is reinstall your operating system which you use like Windows 10 or Windows 11. So after reinstalling, your problem is solved definitely. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like this video and do subscribe my YouTube channel. So yeah guys.